Clearing your search history on Instacart can help maintain your privacy and improve your shopping experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open the Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device or visit the Instacart website on your computer. Step 2. Sign in. If you are not already signed in, enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon or name, typically located in the upper corner of the app or website. Step 4. Find Privacy or Search History options. Look for a section labeled Privacy, Search History, or something similar within the account settings. Click on it to access your search history. Step 5. Clear search history. Select the option to clear or delete your search history. Confirm your choice if prompted, and your search history will be removed. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on Instacart. Regularly managing your search history can enhance your shopping experience and protect your privacy.